Hi, in this guide we will see all the pull from upstream jobs details, a job overview, how to customize it, and how can be your user experience. If you have the package configuration file in the main or right branch of your package distribution kit with an entry for the pull from upstream job, then package service will react to an event from the release monitoring service. This event can take even hours to arrive to package, so be patient. And obviously, your package has to be monitored for the event to be created. The package default procedures for synchronizing the release can be changed using the actions. As an example, you can change how the sources archive is created, or you can change the changelog entries, or yet the commit message, and many other aspects. Package set the spec file version, taking it from the tag release. If they are different, you can tell Packit how to resolve the version starting from the tag using the upstream tag template key in your configuration file. You can also add other files to the synchronization process, telling Packit which are the other files you want to be copied from the upstream to the downstream using the files to sync key. There are multiple ways to tweak the changelog generation. You can tell Packit to use the upstream GitHub or GitLab event description field, or you can ask Packit to use the upstream changelog, or yet you can customize the entries with an action. And if you are using auto changelog in your spec file, Packit will preserve it. Once Packit has created the downstream pull request, you can easily modify it if you want to. You can watch the pull from upstream jobs statuses using our dashboard. If something happens during the process, Packit will create an issue, but you need an issue repository configured. You can trigger the pull from upstream job commenting any dist-git pull request. If no option is given, then Packit will take the configuration from the rawhide main branch. Using the with prconfig, Packit will take the configuration from the same pull request.